getting here, guys, because I'm going to show you how to get work so easily online and how to apply it online without wasting your time. So right now, let's go to Google and begin to look for work. But before that, please kindly go to my YouTube channel and subscribe to this particular channel. Welcome back again. Now we're gonna lavoro part-time. So if you're in Milano, if you're in Roma, if you're in Bologna, if wherever you are, if you're in Nigeria, you can write it that way, Bologna, because you can write it wherever you are, wherever you are looking for the job. If you're in Dubai, you search it Dubai, wherever you are. So this is part-time. You can write it Bologna. Okay, so this is it. You choose it, part-time job, Bologna, or you can still immediately, this is immediately part-time. So guys, right now, I'm going to show you. This is so easy. This is so easy to do. Right now, we have part-time Bologna work right away. Urgent new research now. Okay, so what are we going to do, guys? Here there is a lot of things that you need to do, and this one you can easily contact to the to the company direct. So right now, let's go there. Take the first one you see, part-time in Bologna work now. You open it. So when you open it, you find out so many to ask you to put on your email. But for me right now, it's not important to put your email. Once you will put your email is when you're gonna register for the website. So, but right now, once you are not registering for the website, so you don't need to put your email. This is urgent part-time in Bologna. So right now, if you have experience, no experience, this one they don't need anybody that is experienced. You see, secanto, offerta de secanto. Okay, so urgente part-time Bologna, no experience. So for example, if you don't have any experience, if you don't have any idea of work, you don't need to bother, because right here you can get everything easily for you. And you can get everything you want, if you need anything, any type of job. If you don't see the type of job you want here, quickly type, here part-time, or once you type part-time here, you now type the correct work you want to do. Or you find a work, you can quickly do that by yourself. Whatever work that you want to do, look for. Or you can look on their list. The ones they list here. So right now, there is an industrial cleaner. So if you're a cleaner, you can easily get the job very, very fast without wasting time. I'm telling you, my God, my people. So if you don't see anything you like here in this particular page, like I'm not looking for work, but I'm just only teaching and make you to know how you can apply for work. Like there is so many people who cannot apply work online, or they don't know how to send CV online. So right now we are gonna do that. I want to help you to do that so that you can do it by yourself. But please subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's check this. That says there is no experience. If you don't have experience, let's check that right away. So right here, if you're looking for babysitter, you can check babysitter here. You see, this is babysitter part-time. You can get the baby, you can click babysitter. For example, if I'm looking for babysitter, you click on babysitter to apply for the work. So right now, I want to put it to Italian language. So in case if your computer don't have Google Translate on your Chrome, on your Google Chrome, you quickly download it. It's very, very easy to download and adjust it on your Google Chrome so that it can be easier to translate automatically. So babysitter by time, cerca lavoro, babysitter by time. Once you got it, you open here. This one is babysitter part-time Milano Lombardia. Started from January, but you know the crisis, so you keep on going front. So right now you see this one is in Milano. So if you are very close to Milano, Lombardia, whatever, you can contact the house. So when you still go down, you see a lot of them. Some of them are from agency, and some of them are not from agency. So right now you can see this one. This one is babysitter part-time, January 20, but it's from Indeed.com. If you go to the site called Indeed.com, you will get it. You will see that particular job. It may match for you. This one, lavoro babysitter part time, 705 offerta lavoro. So you can as well click here to see more offerta di lavoro. So right now, this particular fucking stuff is always come here. So I don't know why. So here are the lists as well. You know. So part time in Milan. Medical G group. I'm looking for part-time babysitter with hour, you know. So here you can find a lot of things. Here this one is in Milano. You see, Potolemia, Zilla Potolemia, Boscorella, Chizon. So here you can see a lot of region where you are searching your work. You know, right now I'm only showing you how to apply the work. So once you are going down, you will not choose the particular time, and if you want, you can as well change the time that you want to do the work. Maybe you can choose full time, or you can stay as well choose morning if you have a family that you're always taking care in the morning, take them to school, you know, later in the day you bring them afternoon, or you can as well take babysitter in the afternoon if you want to do afternoon, or either do in the night babysitter, you know, maybe after everything. If you are a married person, your husband has come back and taking care of the children, you can go away and, you know, and start doing the work for the evening. Or as well English babysitter. Everything is so possible. Like some of us that who don't know how to speak Italian, like you can easily get the job here, straightly job here, how to get this English babysitter. Some of them need somebody who can teach their children how to speak English. So right here you can find any kind of things you want. You see, babysitter, this is full-time babysitter, this is babysitter normally. So this one is babysitter for morning. You can as well work this babysitter only in the mornings they want to. So here are the things. So here you see here now, here is cleaner. You can as well find cleaner job, you know, or teacher, or animator for children's, you know, discipline, and all kind of work you need. You can easily find them here. So for me, I think I don't see anything I like or anything to apply for here, right? Because right now, I think let's charge. So here I don't see anything like, you know, anything so easily, or anything that can offer you a good benefit. So let's go back and check another post. Okay, right here we have this. You see, we have this. This is work staff. So we have this, and we have this work without an experience, Lombardia, Milan. So this one is in Milan. I think we can apply this. Let's try and apply this. Okay. Oh, perfect. So it's here right now. So what you need to do is you click, choose any of them that you like. This is for 1,000 to 2,005 per a month. Wow, such a huge of money. But the other candidate is self-employed, even without experience, has strong motivation. You see? So no, I think I have to put this on Italian language so that while I'm teaching this, we can understand it for those who don't have the Google Translate. So guys, right now, I think this particular one is very very fine. It's good. 400 to 1,800. Amazing. So amazing. So let's go here for it. You see, once you click that, it will now open here. Once you click this one, you see, so it will open here. Animatore. This is animatore. Even though you don't have experience, if you have experience, you can do this work. Tempo pieno, tempo determinato. The contract is tempo determinato. It's full-time work. Tempo pieno means full-time. Determinato, so the contract is a long contract, but it's not like it's not a contract that they can give you one time and lifetime work. No, but definitely once if you do well, they're gonna prolong the contract for you. So let's go and apply, guys. Click candidates, candidati. So right here you see nome e cognome. What do you have to write here? Write your name. So guys, right now I'm going to use my own name to write my name. So right here, this is my name. So here I'm going to write my email. So this is my email. Right here you have to put on your phone number for your contact. So right now I'm going to put my phone number. Why this is disturbing me? So put on your number 339-226-0819. This is my number. So right here, if you want to aggiungi, like if you want to put any document, for conoscere, that's for them to know you. So if you want to put any document or presentation as well, you have to put all those things here. Then what I have to do is, whatever you are doing in the policy, you have to accept. Accedi di policy. Avvisiamo quando sono disponibile a lavorare simile. You have to say the yes. You click it. So right now, accedi a tua account, but we don't create account with the profile, with the agent, so you can still go avanti. Okay. So if you want to add your experience, if you have a so now the document curriculum is here. You put on your curriculum. Here is document graph, but it's not importante, but this one is very important. You have to put your curriculum, then you send. You are done with the work. Then check your email box. They will send you a confirmation code that you will put here. Check on your email, refresh it, refresh your email, or go back for empty. You wait for the email to come. They will send you an email right now. Okay, so this is the email. So this is the email. We have it. Okay, this is the email. You can quickly copy the email copy it. Tap, copy, go back, confirm Aura e tuo profile. This one is to confirm your email. If you want to confirm it, then when you are confirming it, quickly turn back, serisce il codice, pom, serisce il mail, continue. Okay, so guys, this is it. Now you can send your CV to them. You see, everything is ready. Now, what is this candidate Aura means? You can send now. It's ready to send. So right now, if I send, you see, now what? It's gone. It's gone. If you want to save it, you can save it. If you don't want to save it, you can leave it. It's not important to save. But you see, la tua candidatura è stata inviata. So it's gone. So guys, please help me to share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, obgoodson.com, or check me on your website, or check me on your Google. Type www.obgoodson.com. That is my website. See you on my next video. I'm going to show you the best website to check work online. Thank you.